Gamers, and today we're playing the snow. Look at it outside. And this is a brand new video. You do not want to miss it out. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, get notified, hit that notification bell, like the video if you like it. So let's get started. Yeah, baby. Watch this.
Whoa. It's our car. Stay on my left, okay? See if there are other kids there. Try up now.
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah,
Alright, go!
Yeah.
Go. Go.
You didn't come with me.
I'm not gonna come. Ah, young kid. Cute. 3, 2, 1. Dapat lie down. No, not in the face. Oh my God. Not a bed. Sled mo. Oh, wala na yung sled mo. Go. Oh my God.
Ready. Go.
Wow. Let's see who can do it.
So cold.
Okay, stand up. Let's see who can do it.
All right, bruh. I know the camera's shaky, guys. You know, go. Yeah, bruh.
No! Sisira yung sled. No. Nilalamig na ako. Go. Ayon! Try to sled on the path. Go, scooch. Yan. Yan na yan. Oh my God, that's farther. Told you. See?
Did I win?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayun o, doon ako yung block na yun. Try mo dumapa.
Yeah, I know. Go.
Wow! See, that's farther. That's the farthest we've gone. Wanna try again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's freaking go. Let's go.
Okay.
Ready, set, go! Yeah! I passed everybody! I literally passed everybody!
Next. What? You got me in the head. Headshot. Headshot. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
My dad just taught me how to do. Actually, I already kind of knew how to make a snowball, but just like a really bad snowball.
How about now?
No,
Learn some
kind of
strategies.
pretty good.
Lying down on a sled. Freaking neat.
Yay!
Flattening the snow. He got me. He got me with a snowball. Oh! Right back at him. You got the GoPro. Look, you made me put my face on. Alright, it's time to go home. The little guy doesn't wanna walk. Just like that. So weird.